For today, we're going to do the trim for the whole car. I've been putting it off. Just got back. The store's locked, so I gotta go around. Do the trim for the whole thing. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I don't like this polished stuff. So all this has to get sanded off. It's already peeling. All has to get sanded off and resprayed. I got some 3M trim and bumper paint from O'Reilly's black satin. That's not 3M. It's Marhide, I guess. Stuff was like $10 a can. So I'm gonna use that. Hopefully it comes out good. I already did the side mirrors and I sprayed this one as like a test run. I still gotta clean this out. I haven't been home, so it's the first day I've been able to work on it. Plus it's really nice out. So sprayed these. Gotta get all that cleaned off again. It's all nasty. I gotta go pick up my manual that I ordered today. So I sprayed these, the grill. I plasti dipped just a small trim piece that goes along because I don't want to take it off right now. However, I will take this off, sand it down, and respray it. Replace these lights because the opposite one has a nice little crack in it. Plus I'm missing the lip that goes to the bottom, so I still have to do that. Yeah, it's just slowly coming together. Do all the trim today. Alright, so what it's looking like so far. I got most of the trim off on this part. I'm starting this side. It looks pretty nasty because I need to wipe it down with some water. But I took the side light off. Sanded this down. I have to rinse it down with some water. Go back over it again with 1000 grit. About to start on this side. Take that one out too as well. Let's get all this down. I got 180 grit sandpaper to kind of smooth this down some, and then I'm going to smooth it back out with 1000 and 1500. Yeah, it's looking good so far. Alright, just got done sanding this side. I gotta wash it down with some soap and water. And then alcohol, tack cloth. The rest of it, like I said, at this bottom trim, all this black paint was chipping off, so I just sanded it down. I'm gonna spray this whole thing with the satin black just to give it the clean look in front. I'm gonna clean that up as well another day. Do the side trim, handles. I gotta do all this right here. It's all faded off. It's really nasty. I want to redo this and sand all this down because it's all uneven and nasty. But so far, this is gonna have to wait. Just doing the back today. I gotta go pick up my manual. So I'm gonna get this washed down. That way, when I get back, I can just wipe it down one more time and then tape everything up and start spraying. Oh, and I put these in here so any water that leaks down can get absorbed right onto the towel. It doesn't get into any wires or bulbs or anything. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. I wiped it down with alcohol. I'm about to use a tack cloth, get the rest of the little dust and stuff off of it. Take up this part and then I'm about to spray it. It's gotten windy, so I have to pull the car in a little bit. Look at all these dents in here, man. It's terrible. I have a lot of body work to do. But I'll get this sprayed before it gets dark so it can dry some. Oh, I also took one of the trim pieces off right there. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I got overspray. I don't care. All that's gonna get sanded off anyways. This is just temporary, like I said, guys. I don't like ashy trim. I'm gonna wet sand this down some more and redo it, but it's good for now. It's starting to get really windy, so there's only so much I could do today without the wind blowing up dust. I'm about to take it for a drive because I didn't rinse out my engine bay. I rinsed this top portion off right here. It was really dirty. Looks a lot cleaner now, nice and shiny. I'm gonna take it for a drive so it can dry faster. Got my manual, so I'm pretty happy about that. Bam, straight there. So now I can work on the car. Oop. Alright, so it's hot, super hot today. I got this on. I jacked the car up a bit so I can get more under here. I took this piece off. I'm about to start taking apart the front bumper so I can remove this bottom piece. Like I said, the chips are so bad, and then this is cracked right here, so that needs to be replaced. I gotta bend these in. I'm gonna clean under here and then respray it as well, and then also kind of clean the tires up. So yeah, I figure I might as well get all this done at once while it's jacked up. I'm gonna clean under there, so it's super nasty. Yeah. See the before. It's disgusting. Yesterday, I washed this part down with the hose. It looks a lot cleaner. I still have to detail and steam clean the engine, so get all this nasty old grease on there off. It's just really gross. I'm not sure why people don't clean their engines when they own vehicles. It's just lazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done. So that's gonna be my mission today, as well as get a tan. So that's gonna be nice. My dog's in there barking because she wants to come outside, but she can't, so I'm gonna start removing this. Wish me luck. Yo, the difference is crazy. I'm not even done yet, but I got most of this crap off. Probably like another 2 days. I need a Dremel because scrubbing this by hand with a wire toothbrush is not fun. It's a lot cleaner. Just have a lot to do. You can definitely see a difference. It's still super hot outside. Got all most of the yellow crap off. Got all down there. I couldn't even read that before. This is all black. Now I can actually see a coat number. Yeah, I'm taking a water break, food break right now. This is just an update. This stuff to put all on the rubber parts, let it soak in there. It's a bit ashy, so hopefully it'll work. I seen it on Chris Fix It. So I'm gonna try this out with the brush. Alright, that's what it looks like with the first coat on here. Let it sit. Forgot some spots over here, but it's okay. I'll do that tomorrow.